Hello folks, it's BKinnison over here at BISH'S RV in Meridian. Behind me is a 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 RBP. If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe below. We'll start out first with a little bit of history on these guys. These Heartland North Trails are actually built right here in our backyard in Caldwell, Idaho. So that's super cool, about 15 miles down the road. Let's go take a look inside. Alrighty folks, so we're going to start in the front of the coach, as always, in the master suite. Nice king size bed, that's going to be standard on all the North Trails. Storage all the way over the bed as well as on both sides, with your USB outports on both sides as well. Always going to be storage for shoes underneath the bed, with this nice big closet right here. So on this side of your closet, you're going to have some shelves. You can go ahead and set folded items in there, and on this other side of the closet, you're going to have a rod so you can go ahead and hang those clothes, hang your pants, so they don't get all wrinkled up while you're going camping. Everybody cares about how you look while you're camping. All the storage below, and you even on this model get 3 more drawers built into this cabinet right here. That's just super awesome. Again, 3-burner stove with the oven and the microwave. So many cool bells and whistles, lots of counter space, storage. This coach really does check all the boxes. Storage above the refrigerator, they lower that down. Again, I appreciate that. Just brings it a little lower. You can actually see what you're doing inside the fridge. On this side, you even have a pantry with 2 more sliding drawers right below that. You also have this nice big L-shaped couch. I really like that. A person can sit right here, stretch your feet out. You can fit 3 people on this couch, super comfortable, just tons of seating space. Right over here is your dinette. Now this dinette is super unique. Built into the wall is going to be a bench seat. There is storage underneath that entire bench. You also get 2 chairs. Now if it's just 2 of you, these chairs are completely removable. You can store them wherever. If it's only 2 of you, take them out, don't need them. Just gives you a little more counter space. Onto the back of the coach is going to be our bathroom. Now this bathroom is absolutely awesome. Again, North Trail's great big shower. Anybody can fit in there. I'm 6'2", I have plenty of headroom. With all the storage on the side for your towels, your soap, your shampoo, whatever you need. Massive countertop in the bathroom. Double vanity, not fighting over who gets which sink or her stuff spread out all over the counter. You have your small counter space right here. She has the rest. Nice big pantry right above here. Just super nice space. Put everything you need right up and out of the way. Let's go take a look outside. Right in the front of here, you have that nice big King Kong storage. Again, that is standard on every single North Trail we sell. Just gives you plenty of room to put anything to carry with you. The possibilities are just absolutely endless. Electric stabilizer jacks, great big awning with the LED lights underneath, outdoor speakers, tinted windows, wide track suspension. What that does for you folks, that's just going to keep this coach nice and centered going down the road. It's not going to sway near as much in the wind. Nice solid steps right here, just prevent that rocking and swaying back and forth when you're getting in and out. These are also going to be a 2-inch thick wall with Azdel in there. So it's double layer of Azdel. That's just twice the insulation value. These walls, they're just not going to be ever prone to bubbling or delambing or anything like that. It's just an awesome feature. Nice outside kitchen right here. A little tiny fridge with a pull-out tray for more prep space with an outlet back here. Now I know you're thinking, doesn't come with a grill. What's an outside kitchen without a grill? Does come with a grill. The grill mounts to this little bar right here. This actually swings right around. You can plug it straight into your propane, and it does come with that grill. Prep for an backup camera. That backup camera is just plug and play. Possibilities with that are endless as well. This will be the back side to that storage compartment. Totally pass through so you can access it on both sides. Just makes it nice and easy for you guys. You don't have to be walking around to one side or the other to get anything out. Thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is BKinnison here at BISH'S RV in Meridian. Behind me was the 2022 Heartland North Trail 25 RBP. Thank you again.